How to resize product picture in Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step through the process of resize and customize product picture in your Shopify store. And we'll cover everything on how to choosing the best dimensions for your product pictures without using any application. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, go directly and make sure to add the product on your Shopify store, because you are not be able to resize and customize the product picture without using or without adding the product in your Shopify store. Then after adding the product, just go back and hit on Shopify store. Then open your Shopify dashboard, then open the online store, then hit on online store, then go directly and hit on customize. Sorry guys, don't hit on customize, make sure to hit on these three dots and go directly to edit code. Then guys, after selecting the edit code, then go directly in the search bar on the left side. If you want to look for the folder or the file, or you can just tap on the search bar section dash main dash product. Then guys, make sure to type section dash main dash product, dash product dot css. As you see guys, section dash main dash product dot css. Then make sure to open this folder, then it will take you directly to this code. Then if you want to find the code, this is the code, then scroll down to find the media screen 990 pixel, or you can just tap on your keyboard, make sure to hit on Ctrl F, then tap on the search bar wrapper, then hit on wrapper, then go directly to this code media screen and 99 then make sure to go directly to media screen to 990 pixel. Then guys, after selecting this code, just go directly to resize your picture. Then guys, before starting resizing the picture, make sure to I will show you before and after customizing and resizing your picture or product picture. Then again, I will open the Shopify account. It's very easy guys. Then guys, open your Shopify store, then hit on catalog, then hit on product. Then guys, this is the product. Then guys, as you see guys, the product or the picture product, it's more bigger. Then in this video we show you how you can easily resize it and make it small. Then guys, go back and open the code section on your Shopify, then go directly to 64 for example, and reduce the 64 to, for example, to 42 for example, and again on the bottom 42. Then make sure to hit on save. It's very easy guys. Then again, when you save the changes, just go back and reload the page, then automatically the picture it will be small and resize it. As you see guys, this is the easy method to resize the picture. If you want to make it more bigger and again more resize and make it more small, for example to 24 for example, and also on the bottom make it 24 and hit on save. Then guys, you can easily customize any product picture. Then go back and after hitting on save, go back and reload the page, then automatically the product picture it will be more smaller. As you see guys, this is the easy method to customize the product picture or resize the product picture without using any application or pre-experience. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.